Lori from Bochner Farms, and today I'm going to show you how we wrap our pint jars in craft paper. We've had a lot of people ask how we do this. It looks super cute, but it's kind of hard to explain it in a direct message or an email, so instead of writing it down, I'm just going to show you how we do it. So what you'll need is a pint jar, ribbon, a rubber band, and a piece of square craft paper. We buy these squares from Uline. This is 18 by 18 size, and I believe 30-pound paper, and you can just buy a big box of them from Uline and it lasts you a long time. So the first thing that we do is fold a little lip across one side of the paper. And the reason why I do this is going to be the front of the jar, and I like it to have more of a clean finish versus just the paper edge. So just that thickness gives it some bulk up front. And so then you're going to slide it up in the center. You're centering this, and you're going to slide it right up to the top lip of the jar. And then you're going to hold it tight with your thumb. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, because it's a little bit like origami, and give yourself some grace and practice. I've done probably hundreds, maybe thousands of these, and I still mess them up. So don't worry about it, just kind of keep practicing. But what you do is you fold it straight back and then fold a crease on one side, holding tight against the jar. And then you're going to fold the same crease on the other side, tight against the jar. And then the next step is you're gonna lift this straight up. And that, again, holding it super tight. And then you're gonna go to the other side and lift it straight up. And then the next step really is just folding it over. Folding it over on top of it though. See, sometimes it goes easy, sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, so that's how you do it. So now I've got two wings here, and I've got the back triangle shape that you can see along the side. So that's folded together. And then I use my rubber band to hold it all in place. And then the last step really is just putting on the ribbon. So again, I use this black and white. I like black and white. Everything I do is black and white. So this is a thinner ribbon. I do this because I want to tie a full bow on the front. You could use a thicker ribbon. Thicker ribbon would probably work a little bit better because you could cover the rubber band a little bit easier, but I like this. Again, any ribbon will work. You're just decorating the jar, and covering the rubber band is really the main purpose for the ribbon, for decoration and covering. And so I tie a bow across the front, and then that's the whole process. That's it. Super easy to do. That's how I do it. And then craft paper does get a little wonky when it gets wet, and when it dries it gets all bubbly, so you want to be careful about that. So what I do is I fold it down just like this, and then that way when I'm getting ready to arrange an actual flower arrangement, I can put the water in, this is out of the way. I can put the flowers in, again, out of the way, and then it just helps it not get wet while you're working with it. And then when you're done, you just fold everything back up and just tuck it around your bouquet like a little paper blanket, and that's all there is to it, and then you're ready to roll. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you to learn how to wrap your jars with craft paper, because it does look really cute. And thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.